glad you really finally decided to help save the world, James.
For the patients. You feel so good.
You're so funny, James. Is that why all the girls like you?
I'm just a mama's boy at heart.
I like you, James. I really like you.
I like you too, Catalisa. Oh, and Julia, Angelina, Reese. That Silky chick's hot too. She really smokes.
Obstacle Man! Is it flat, James?
It's flat.
Oh, that's awful. I just hate to be flat.
Oh, this is gonna take a long time.
Hurry, James. The device is going up any minute. You just gotta save the world.
And get to my hair appointment. You didn't mention that.
Sorry. Oh, I have an air pump. I'll take care of it.